Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am super excited about this video because I love Fabfitfun. I've been subscribed to Fabfitfun for a long time now and have been doing unboxings on my channel that a lot of you watch and follow along with. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the spring 2019 add-ons. And you know, Fabfitfun is actually the one unboxing that has stood the test of time and is still here on YouTube with me. I just love this box. If for some reason you are here and you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it's a quarterly subscription box versus monthly. It comes with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, fitness products in it, which is one reason why I love it. I feel like with some other boxes, you get a lot of samples and small things that you end up just sticking in a drawer and you never use them. With this one, I just love the full-size things that I actually end up using. So it's $49.99 for the quarter, but you can get $10 off with my code down below. So Fabfitfun just opened their spring add-ons. When you become a member, when you join up and sign up with Fabfitfun, you get access to add-ons with each seasonal box. These add-on items are at heavily discounted rates. You pick out what you want, you put them in your cart before your box ships, and then they ship with your box. So you get all kinds of extra goodies when you get your seasonal box. So I'm partnering with Fabfitfun in this video to share with you just some of the items that are going to be in the spring add-ons, and there's some good stuff in here. So first off, I am actually drinking out of one of the items today, and this is from Bondo, I don't know. Anyway, and this is super, super cute. I love it. It's perfect for spring, so this will be available. Something else that's in here, I wasn't quite sure what this was at first, but this is Clear for Takeoff 12 resealable bags. This comes with 6 large and 6 small. And on the back it says, let's face it, even with all of our fancy travel cases and toiletry bags, we still end up using resealable plastic bags to store and organize many of our travel items such as shampoo, liquid soaps, etc. And so these are practical and fun storage solutions. So let's open these. So these are really cute. Oh, and they're way sturdier. I was thinking, okay, why am I going to use these instead of just regular Ziploc bags? But these feel a little more insulated and sturdy than Ziploc bags. You can kind of see that they're thicker. Let's see how big this cactus one is. So yeah, that's pretty big. I wonder if that's a gallon or bigger. I don't know. And there are 12 in there, so that's another option. I'm only showing you a sampling of the items. There are tons of items and tons of different types of items as well. There are lifestyle, there are beauty, there are fashion, and all kinds of things. So I'm just kind of picking out a few things to show you. So this is this R2M Silk Exfoliate Peeling Pad. This is an innovative, simplifying skincare system that preps, primes, protects, and perfects skin for the most beautiful application every time. So after you cleanse the skin, you glide the yellow side across your face, across your wet face for a mild exfoliating experience, and then you flip the pad over. Oh, it's in here. Okay. To the white, softer side to even out skin tone. So it's like a peel kind of thing. That's pretty cool. How many are in here? 10 sheets. There's 10 of these in here. So when the add-on period opens up, you definitely want to get in very quickly because a lot of the really good items sell out super, super quickly. I know I have wanted a few things and I've gotten in there and it's been too late. If you're already a member, you can sign up for an annual subscription and you get earlier access than you would if you are a monthly or a quarterly subscriber. Yeah, a lot of the items that I have here are skincare related, but everything in there is not skincare related. This is really cool. I like this brand. Everything I've tried from this brand has been really nice. This is R&Co Crown Scalp Scrub. So if you're wanting to exfoliate your scalp and kind of get everything back to normal again, this is a purifying and soothing scrub that will detox, cleanse, and rebalance your scalp. And you massage it in until you feel the exfoliants fully dissolve, and then you rinse thoroughly. Your hair will feel shiny and royally clean. And then you follow it with a conditioner. So I guess you don't shampoo after. Let's smell it. Oh, it just smells nice and fresh. I don't smell anything overpowering or anything like that. I like things like this because I feel like I do tend to get product built up over time. Another hair product that I have gotten through this is my Living Proof Dry Shampoo. I got like 3 the last time. I want to say it was with the winter or the fall add-ons. They had it for like $8. And so I threw like 3 into my cart. It's a really good deal. So this is very interesting. So this is, I've gotten something from them before. Was it an exfoliating thing? This is a Your Stretch washcloth with smart technology, which I don't know what that is. For hard to reach areas, great for people with limited mobility. Reactive microcirculation, ideal for sensitive areas. And I do remember you can like hang this in your shower and put this in here to dry or to store. Okay, so it does feel like it's an exfoliating washcloth. This is pretty rough. Yeah, that's nice because you can actually like scrub your back and stuff. That's pretty neat. I've never seen anything like that. And I guess you could hang it because it's got the little handles on there. So if you have a hard time reaching your back or the lower part of your legs or whatever area, this would be kind of nice, and it's exfoliating, especially, you know, if you self-tan or something like that. And then you can hang this in your shower and store it because it's got a little suction cup thing too. So it's pretty neat. I think most of us are familiar with the brand Ahava. They sent dead sea salt, natural dead bath sea salts. So I'm not going to open these because I don't want to, you know, just have it cracked open. I actually, you know, I don't know if it reseals or not. So this just says whenever you're needing a revitalizing charge, these have health-inducing minerals, magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more. They soothe your body with genuine relaxation, ease muscle tension, and soften your skin. So you dissolve into the bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. I always love nice bath products. Oh, okay, I like this. I have a 0.5 millimeter derma roller. This is a 0.25 one, so they may actually have other options if you want, you know, greater depth with your derma roller. If you want to try a derma roller but don't want to spend a lot of money, they'll have them at a deep discount. It's in like a hospital pack. Alitura. I don't know this brand, but that's pretty cool. I have that derma roller. I have yet to use it because I keep doing other things with my skin and I really need to use it. And part of it is just laziness because I keep thinking I need to sanitize it each time. And I know I just won't do it, but I'm glad to have both options because you're supposed to start out with a lighter depth and then move into, you know, a deeper depth, if that's even the right terminology, but this is really nice. Okay, this is something I don't think I've ever seen before. This is an emergency alert button with 24/7 protection from ripple safety. So that, well, it's got my ring light reflecting in it. So that is what that looks like. So you actually build out your profile and preferences in the Ripple Safety app. Then you connect this device to your smartphone in seconds, and then select your personal support team of friends and family or the Ripple monitoring team. That has a cost to it. And it's a discreet wearable button that never needs charging. It lasts about 6 months, water resistant, and it works with iPhone or Android, and it's easy to use. So it says that one click sends a text message alert to up to 5 pre-selected contacts with your location, notifying them that you're in an uncomfortable situation. 3 or more clicks sends a text message alert to those contacts with your location and notifies them that you're in an emergency. That's if you're in the Friends and Family Network. If you're in the nationwide professional monitoring service, 1 click, they immediately call you to assist. 3 or more clicks, they dispatch talk today, emergency services, depending on your profile, to your location and relay all your vital profile information to the first responders. There's no contract. You stay protected 24/7 for just $10 a month, and you can cancel at any time. That's pretty neat. Interesting. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you out of this sampling is this C450 bubble peeling pad and C200 bubble peeling pad. This one is for the body and this one is for the face. And I don't really know what a bubble peeling pad is, so we're gonna read about these. They both have vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, AHA, organic 7, and fermented extract complex 3. So it's basically exfoliating pads for the body and for the face. Let's open it. I like different kinds of things like this because, I don't know, you don't always see them every day. And there is, it looks like it might be K-beauty kind of stuff. I feel like they have different types of things, and a lot of it is really effective. This is the one for the face. So yeah, it's just, there's 4 packs in each. and you know, you have to mix some things and apply some things, but I don't know, it's pretty cool and different. I think it's K-Beauty, if I'm looking at it correctly. It seems like it might be. I can't tell who this is by. Wish Formula. If you're familiar with this, let me know. Thank you to Fabfitfun for partnering with me on this video. I just love Fabfitfun. I think I said that enough at the beginning. Let me know down below if you like Fabfitfun as much as I do, if you're planning to subscribe either now or this year at some point. I just think it's such a fun way at a great price point to try different things. Don't forget about my $10 code down below if you are wanting to subscribe today and get access to the spring add-ons. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Bye-bye.